The DJI Air 2S is a lightweight, compact drone with powerful stills and video capabilities. Equipped with a 1-inch 20-megapixel CMOS sensor, the DJI Air 2S can capture video up to 5.4K at 30 frames per second, and 4K 60p video at 150 megabits per second. It can also capture slow-motion video up to 1080p at 120 frames per second. The Air 2S includes DJI's 10-bit D-Log-M color profile, which records 1 billion colors while retaining high levels of image detail even in low light. Maintaining a constant aperture of f2.8, the fixed 22mm equivalent lens shows an 80-degree field of view, and 20-megapixel photos can be captured in JPEG or RAW mode, with RAW photos offering 12.6 stops of dynamic range. As with its predecessors, the Air 2S can create hyperlapse sequences in camera. HDR is available in both stills and video modes, allowing you to capture footage in a wide range of challenging lighting situations. Newly included MASTERSHOTS make it easy to capture cinematic-looking footage. And the DJI Air 2S also features updated focus track subject tracking. With a foldable design meant for easy packing, the DJI Air 2S weighs less than 600 grams, or about 1.3 pounds. It can stay in the air for up to 31 minutes, and can be operated at ranges of up to 7.5 miles, or 12 kilometers. Top speed in sport mode is 19 meters per second, or just over 40 miles an hour. Safety features have also been improved. The new APAS 4.0, DJI's Advanced Pilot Assistance System, features 4-way obstacle avoidance that functions even at high speeds and in complex environments. Meanwhile, the included automatic dependent surveillance broadcast system alerts the drone pilot to the presence of nearby aircraft.